Colony's a display and fixtures manufacturer and services company.
Awesome company. They develop and implement creative retail solutions for some of the biggest names in retail.
Premier player in their space, exciting dynamic management team, premier customers including Home Depot, Lowe's, CVS, True Value, and couldn't be more excited that this is our first deal and ready to get to work.
We were really excited about the CEO and the management team right out of the gate.
So I started with the company when I was 12 years old. I basically mowed the lawn around the first building. A lot of these people that work here and at the management level, I used to work for them. You know, the assembly foreman taught me how to drive a forklift, and now they're running massive assembly lines.
So Kinzie's approach within the first 90 days has been pretty hands-on, but not to a point where they're taking us away from our daily jobs.
Right after we closed, I mean, we were in here that weekend, working with you through an inventory count.
The perception is you get acquired and this whole corporate world takes over the culture, which is not at all what's happening. I couldn't be happier. You know, I'm used to working within constraints, and they're kind of breaking those barriers down for us.
Truthfully, for us, it fits all of the key points that we look for in a great investment, but in particular, I've got a highly energetic and creative management team that's doing everything they can to grow that firm. And on top of it, they've got an amazing product and service to offer. Those two things combined with our support, I think have the makings for a much bigger firm, and we've got all the runway to do it.